How to find the best subreddits step by step. To find the best subreddits, first of all, you simply have to go ahead and launch the Reddit application onto your device. Now tap on the search bar at the top. Once you tap on this, all you have to do is now simply type the advanced filtering techniques, or you can also use the filter options. First things first, simply type in the keyword such as foods or movies. Now, once you type this and search for it, you should be able to access the filter panel over here. Now, within this relevance and all-time option, you can select any of these and you can head to the communities option. You will find their details over here. You simply have to tap join next to the subreddit's name and detail, and there you go. This is how you can explore and find the best subreddits on Reddit. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.